Okay, I hope you watched the previous video. So now in this episode we are going to learn about how to use inheritance in Android styles. So inheritance means there must be a parent style and a child style. That means you can adapt some style properties from one style to another style. So how we can achieve this in an Android application? So in the styles.xml file I already create a style called my style with some style attributes. Okay, now here I am going to go to the activity main.xml file. Okay, now here we got a text view with some blue text. Now I need to make this text something bigger. So how we can do it? So go to the styles.xml file. Actually there are two type of styles are available. First one is Android inbuilt styles and second one is user defined styles. So you can inherit from an Android inbuilt style or you can inherit from a user defined style. So how we can inherit from an Android inbuilt style? So here I am going to show that. So for inherit from an Android inbuilt style, you have to use another attribute in the style tag called parent. So here I am going to make the text into a bigger one using an Android inbuilt style. So for that I have to use another tag on the style called parent. Now here you have to specify the style name. So it is referred from the Android platform, so put @Android, and it is available in the styles.xml file in the Android platform, and here you have to provide the unique name for that particular style. So here we need some large text, so text style text appearance dot, there is something called text appearance large. Yeah, this one, text appearance large. Okay, this is the way of inherit from an inbuilt Android style. Just put a parent attribute in the style tag and you have to specify the name of the predefined style. Okay, now go to the activity main.xml file. Okay, now here our text is bigger because we inherit some inbuilt style called text appearance large. Okay, now go to styles.xml file again. Now here I inherit from an inbuilt Android style. Now I am going to create another style here. I am going to add another style here. So we need a unique name. I name it as my second style. Okay, I name it as my second style. Now here I'm going to put another style using item. So using item tag, item, put name equal to Android text style. Yeah, this one, text style. I make the text bold, so using the bold value, so use the value as bold. So if you apply this style, the text become bolder one. Okay, now here I create two styles. First one is my style and second one is my second style. Now I want the first style, my style, inherit this one. That means this is the parent style and this is the child style. So the child will inherit from the parent. So for inherit from a user defined style, there is no need to use the parent tag. Instead you just refer the unique name of the style. So here the second parent unique ID is my second style, so refer that one, my second style, put a dot symbol. Okay, so here the unique identifier name for the child become my second style dot my style. That means the my style is now inherit all the properties of the parent called my second style. That means now the text become bold. We can check it out. So we have to refer the this style using my second style.myStyle. So go to the activity main.xml file. Of course, it shows some exception because now the ID, the unique identifier for my style is changed into my second style.myStyle. So we have to change it that. So go to activity main.xml file, and instead of my style we have to refer the new name my second style.myStyle. Okay, now it is okay. Now go to the graphical layout. Now it is not bolder, but it is bigger. There is no change. It is not changed into bold. This is because in the child tag a parent is now available. So if any style inherit from a user defined style, that style does not contain the parent tag. So here this style my style is actually inherit from the parent style called my second style. So that contain a parent attribute. It is not possible, it is not legal. So we have to remove this one. Now we lost a style called larger text, but now the text become bolder. We can check it out. So go to activity main.xml file. It is not bolder. So we have to build the project. So go to project and clean the project. Okay. Yeah. Now the text becomes simpler. It is not larger text, but now it is bolder. Okay, this is how we inherit some user defined text. So if you want to make the text bigger, you have to apply the attribute for make the text bigger at the parent style, because here this style my style is actually inherit from a user defined style called my second style. So it is not possible to put the parent tag inside the child style. So you can it is possible to put it inside the parent style, parent user defined style. So I put it here again, parent, and at symbol at Android, yeah, at Android it is referred from style, and here the text appearance dot large, yeah, text appearance dot large. Okay, now we have the font bolder and bigger. So to make it bigger, again we need to clean it again, clean the project again. Okay, clean it again. Okay, now we got it. Now the text is bigger and it is bolder. Okay, so I hope you understand the rule. If any style that inherit from a user defined style, so that does not contain the parent tag. So that's why I remove the parent tag from here, because this style is inherited from the child tag. But now it is possible to put the parent inside the parent. Now it is possible to put the parent tag inside this one, because it is not, this style does not inherit any other user defined styles. Okay, you can chain a number of styles together. Suppose here I am going to add another style here, style, put the unique name Android, so sorry, name equal to, I make the name as my third style. Okay, and here I add another style using item name equal to Android, text all caps. That means I am going to make all the font in capital letter, so make it as true. So when we apply this style, what is this problem? Okay, it need the API level 14, current is 8, so we have to change it. So go to main manifest file, here it is 8, I'm going to change it into 14. Okay, now it is solved. Okay, now it is solved. Okay, when we apply this style, the entire text will become in capital letter. So now I'm going to chain all these styles. So we can chain here. So now it is my second style dot my style. So for chaining this, first we have to change the name of the newly created style. Here the name is my third style, so I change it as my third style dot my second style. So now this will inherit this one, my second style. That is not correct, there is some problems. Okay, it is not correct because it is not applied here. So make the chain, this is the last one in the chain. So the previous one is this one. So this is my third style. So I put the name here. So my third style dot my second style. So we have to change it here. Dot my second style. Okay, now it is okay. Now go to activity main.xml file. Now it is missing because we changed that unique identifier name. So we have to change it into my third style dot my second style dot my style. Okay, I put that one. Now go to the graphical layout. Now for applying this style, we need to make the we have to clean the project again. So I'm going to clean it. It is not correct. Now we have to check. Okay, it is not again appear. There are some serious mistakes on these styles. Yeah, here actually this style, my third style dot my second style inherit. Here the my second style inherit from my third style. So now it is not possible to put the parent here because this style, my second style, inherit from a user defined style called my third style. So for getting the properties of the my third style, you have to remove the parent from here. So I remove it. Now save the project again. Now go to the activity main.xml file. We have to, now we lost the properties to make the text bigger, but now it is in capital letter. We have to check it. We have to clean the project, clean it again. Okay, now we got the properties from the third style. All the fonts are now changed into capital letters. Okay, so if you want to get that style back, that means if you need to make this again bigger, you can apply the parent on the last style on that chain. So here the last style on our chain is this one, my third style. So we have to put that parent here. So I put the parent here to make the text larger. So now go to again the main activity.xml file. Now build the project again. So clean the project and click OK. Yeah, now we got all the styles. Now the text is larger, it is in blue color, now it is in all capital letters. Okay, I hope you enjoy this one. I hope you understand all these concepts. It is little bit confusing, but if you try, if you got the ideas, it is very easy to use all styles and it is very easy to inherit style from other style. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.